How to block someone on the Hoop app. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can block someone on the Hoop app. So in order to block someone on Hoop app, you'll have to first of all open the Hoop app on your mobile device and then simply make sure you are logged into your account. Now once you're logged in, you'll have to first of all search for the person whom you want to block. So once you find the person, you'll have to tap on this flag icon right over here. After that, a pop-up from the bottom will appear giving you basically two different options. So you can either report this user or you can block this user. So since we are here to block someone on Hoop app, we'll simply tap on the option block this user. And then as you can see, it is saying user blocked. So that is basically how you block someone on the Hoop app. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.